Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the classic cocktail, the Boulevardier. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. The Boulevardier first appeared in cocktail books in 1927. The name literally translates to a wealthy and fashionable socialite. This drink is a bourbon lover's twist on a Negroni. We love the drink. We think you're going to also. Here's how to make it. We have a mixing glass already full of ice. We're going to use 1.25 ounces of bourbon. You want to use a good quality bourbon in this because bourbon really shines through. We're going to use a single barrel select Buffalo Trace. We're going to use 1.25 ounces of that. We're going to use 1 ounce of Campari. Campari is super bitter. The bourbon really helps balance this out, as does the sweet vermouth. I'm not a huge fan of Campari by itself. I know some people love it, but in a cocktail, it works really well. We're going to use 1 ounce of that. Then we're going to use 1 ounce of our sweet vermouth. We tell you this every time, guys. Keep your vermouth chilled once you open it. It's a wine. It's got to stay chilled. 1 ounce of that. We'll go ahead and stir that up in our mixing glass. And we're going to strain that into a rocks glass over a large cube of ice. Beautiful red color from the Campari on this. For our garnish, we're going to use an orange twist. Go ahead and give it a try. Cheers. Oh, absolutely delicious. A little bit of bitterness from the Campari, but balanced out by the sweetness of the vermouth, as well as the richness of the bourbon. Love this drink. I think you guys are going to also. Go ahead and give this one a shot, guys. I think you'll love it. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Boulevardier first appeared in the 1927 cocktail book, Barflies and Cocktails. The name literally means a wealthy, fashionable socialite. Socialite?
That was perfect, though.
Mm-hmm.